And turning to that weather forecast, many folks saw a powerful line of thunderstorms that rolled through earlier, and the lens of our downtown sky camera captured a time-lapse video. This is what we call a shelf cloud. It is essentially the visual representation of a line of storms. Sometimes that's a cold front, sometimes it's just some gusty thunderstorms. You can see the wind picking up there as the camera jostles around. Now first comes the wind, next comes the rain. You're going to see the rain appear after the wind, associated with that leading edge or the front of it, and there's the raindrops, which typically follow the wind as the shelf cloud rolled on through, moving from north to south. Now, even though we didn't get any widespread reports of severe weather, still a very ominous look in the sky if you're not familiar with the shelf cloud. So quick breakdown: gusty winds, one of the biggest impacts of shelf clouds, and the wind typically precedes the rainfall. That steady rain that you saw on our downtown sky camera, that came after the wind initially started. Now, shelf clouds are often mistaken for other types of clouds, so a quick recap of these different cloud types. Shelf clouds are a line of storms that comes with gusty winds. Rarely ever would a shelf cloud produce a tornado. Tornadoes typically spawn from wall clouds, which you can see almost resemble a wedge shape in the sky. Those are rotating thunderstorms. If a trained storm spotter identifies a wall cloud, this would normally warrant a tornado warning from the National Weather Service. And a funnel cloud, well, you shouldn't be seeing that at all, because that would mean a tornado is imminent and you should be in your tornado shelter and basement. Right now, Doppler radar, high and dry, quiet conditions. To the west of us, though, active weather continues, and there is the risk for severe weather in portions of northern Missouri back towards the Great Plains. For us here at home, there will be a storm risk tomorrow, but the severe threat is going to be more likely closer to the border of Ohio, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania, where you see that yellow shade. Here's the hour-by-hour breakdown. Many areas dry through the overnight, but showers are going to begin to move in by late morning. Through the afternoon, a few soaking downpours and thunderstorms, especially south and east of the Maumee River, and rain's going to be wrapping up by dinner time. In fact, by about 5 to 6, we are totally dry and in the clear from the rain. Now, the latest data still does show areas south of Toledo getting the heaviest rain. That may include Putnam County, Hancock County, over towards Sandusky and Seneca counties as well. And some of those downpours could drop 1 to 2 inches. It's going to be a really sharp cutoff, and southern Michigan could see only a few tenths, if even, with the heaviest rain occurring south of the Maumee River. Thunderstorm chances persist through early to mid-afternoon, and by about 5 to 7, we are going to see a vast change in the weather. In fact, by sundown, it could be bright and beautiful with lower humidity levels. Behind that system, less humid setting arrives Thursday, comfy with highs that'll only be near 80 degrees. Here's a snapshot of those high temperatures Thursday. That'll be significantly cooler with comfy humidity levels as well. Over the next couple of days, sunshine continues Thursday into Friday, with storm chances returning Friday night into Saturday. Humidity will briefly spike on Saturday, but enjoy the low humidity Thursday, Friday, turning muggy early Saturday, and then another cold front drops humidity for the tail end of the weekend, with a beautiful and glorious Sunday on tap. Next week starts off comfortable, but temperatures heat up just in time for Independence Day, with high temperatures